We've got the machine on again to get Jaunty going.
How would it be loose?
From the bump. Gearbox. What happened, babes? A bolt.
So there's loose bolts by the sensor.
Oh. You know that bang was very hard, babes.
Yeah, I know it was hard. It bent the rim. I know it was hard. But it was doing a similar thing before.
Yes, it was actually. But they're too beautiful. And you see millions of them on the side of the road, especially where we live around here. We are Cindy and Graham with Jaunty Van Life. Come and join us.
Alles daar so. Kom laat jy vir my kom. Okay.
We built a camper van out of a Boxer 2004 Peugeot to travel weekends through South Africa. We still work, so it's now and again that we travel, but we do show you many different things about our lives. Please follow us, subscribe, and enjoy our vibe.
Jaunty Van Life. Lights, camera, action! Okay, so here we got the Jaunty mechanic and everybody busy again. We have a suspect. We suspect that the starter switch has a problem. So he's brought an old barrel, a brand new barrel actually, and we're fitting it to my car to see if it cuts out and that with a brand new switch. If it does, then it's not that problem. So yeah, he's busy faffing around there. It's quite a difficult job to get it in and out, but the expert's busy and I think he's got it. So we're going to try and start the car, or start it, and see if it does work. If it doesn't, then that irons out that the ignition switch is not the right problem again. So this is what happens when you have a van and you don't know what's going on. You have to do this and that, and then come right.
So she's been running but still cutting off, so we're still looking through. Oh,
Dis reg so.
Ja.
Maar daai een dan nou, het verskuur hier so.
Ja, is it?
Ja.
So you did gap here.
Die gap.
oh wow.
En jy moet adjust, as jy adjust hier so.
So maak hom big and small.
Jy maak daai twee bot los. Hy sak. Dan
Ja,
jy
moet
van die
recht
flywheel,
uit,
jy
ja.
moet sit straight, dan jy loop.
Okay.
Dis agter by die flywheel.
Okay, so they've worked this morning. It's Monday morning, and it's running, and it's running, and it's running, and it's running, which is a good sign. Now they're going to take it for a test run out there. Yeah, so Graham will explain more what the guy was explaining just now. I think he can't get his head around because he's used to all petrol cars, and now this is diesel, and he doesn't really know what's happening. So when he hears it's something like that, he thinks it's a bit funny, but the guy knows what he's talking about, and so now it's a test run.
Yeah, third piston deactivator. Okay, it's active. When it takes it off, it's inactive. But now it shows it's active.
Yeah.
The one the on top one. That you took out, you said there's no washer on the bottom.
Yeah.
On the common rail, the pressure common rail.
Yeah, okay.
But as I said, we rather test drive it now first.
Yes. Okay, so Graham's taking Jaunty out now with the mechanic for a test run. So he's going to follow Jaunty to see that there's no problems. Oh, I can't wait. I need to go on a trip. I think we're both feeling like that. Yeah. Go Jaunty and keep going forever. Yeah, forever, forever, forever. We love our Jaunty. Okay, the mechanic's going around with him to see everything's fine. Because as soon as we went down the road the other day, it just conked out. Oh no, don't tell me it's conked out. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Got the engine open again. Come on. You know, Graham knows nothing about diesels, so he knows all about petrol engines. I'm glad they went for a test run. I really am, because I can't handle this anymore. I think Graham's feeling the same. Oh wow. Even the mechanic he says we need a miracle here. He knows everything, but he says he can't understand this thing. They're still out there. It would be so expensive if we were out there. So I'm just grateful it's here. Oh, thank goodness they're there while it happened, Lord. They're still out there, thank goodness they're there. They're closed up. And they're gonna try and test it again. It's going again. It's going again. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So the mechanic's gone in the vehicle with Graham. Testing it around the corner. Okay, so the mechanics there, his other mechanics watching his van, and they've taken a ride and they haven't come back yet. Hope they haven't got stuck. But at least the other mechanics were them.
So the van started and we went a few meters and it conked out again. That's the end of it. Right, so we have load shedding again, and I'm so glad I've got this solar system going here. It's quite a nice little system. If you have a look here, you can see that we are getting 53 volts at the moment. So this is a 48 volt system, because there's 4 batteries, 4 of these big batteries down the bottom here, 3 here and 1 behind at the back there, and 3 there also, and then there'll be another one at behind there. So yeah, we've got 8 batteries here, and it seems to hold quite well. During the day we just couldn't just go back to the solar and just leave it on the whole day. At night it does drop down. Normally about 9 o'clock it's dead, but with the load shedding it's a bit of a problem. But you know what, I think we're better than most people. This is just a little guide that I made here to show that's the maximum up there, 14.51. It's 58, 12 volts on the right and 48 on the left. This is charging, and when it gets down to 40, that's where it all cuts off. That's 10 volts. So yeah, charge, 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 charge. That's the max. Normally goes to 60.
So Jaunty not going, but thanks for watching and please subscribe.